saw him, but it doesn't compare. And I sure dreamed that it was you. I was scared. Cause you were sweet to me, and I wasn't prepared. So I know I said some things that made you cry. You cried. I did some things that made you say goodbye.
Alright, so I've just come home after going shopping with Angel for a little bit. Got some goodies. I haven't had one of those in so long, so couldn't resist. And this is the mess. That is my bedroom. And no, that is not a gross dirty tissue. I mean, it is a dirty tissue, but not how you think it is. It's just paint. Okay. Cool. Now we have to paint another thing. So, ooh, let's go. Also, the lighting is terrible and it's gonna be even worse in a second because I'm going to turn on artificial lighting. Ready for this? Boop! Oh, I hate that. Hello. So we have quite a few scrunchies here. I think 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So we just need to flip these inside out and then sew this little bit together. And we'll have 8 fully completed scrunchies. So one of them I've already flipped over and it's quite cute if I do say so myself. Yeah, let's quickly do that now. It's 11:22 p.m. a little bit late. I have to meet up with everyone at about 11 tomorrow. So we have to finish all of this preferably before 10 so then I have time to actually get ready and leave the house. 40 minutes, finish all of these. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but we'll be fine. I've got everything else done, which, but surprise. I guess I'll see you tomorrow then. Okay, I now have 8 scrunchies that are fully flipped the right way around. I haven't sewed them together yet. I'm gonna have to hand sew that because the machine's a little bit fiddly. I don't want to mess these up. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It's getting a little late. Let's get some sleep and then start fresh in the morning then. Speed sewing. Oh, Mario music. Okay, we have finally finished it all. We are running a couple minutes behind schedule. So we've got the box here, scrunchies. Last one is going in. I'm just gonna place it front here. In the back's good, a little bit of detailing. Okay, put that there. Okay, let's find the middle. Okay, thread this through here and thread this through there, I believe. Oh god, nice. Wrapped up left. And then I've got the orange ribbon for Grace's present, which is in here. Alright. We're gonna pack everything and head off and catch the bus and do all those things.